Introduction to tube fitting sealing principle. Tube fittings play a crucial role in providing reliable sealing in instrumentation systems. A tube fitting consists of 4 components: the body, front ferrule, back ferrule, and nut. Through mechanical threading, the nut advances forward. The nut advances forward, pushing the back ferrule. The back ferrule in turn pushes the front ferrule forward. The tapered surface of the fitting body compresses the front ferrule inward. The front ferrule compensates for the dimensional tolerance between the inner diameter of the ferrule and the outer diameter of the tube. As the back ferrule advances, the front ferrule moves forward and inward. The rear end lifts and forms a seal with the tapered surface of the fitting body. Stress distribution behavior. As the nut advances forward, a sealing zone forms inside the fitting body and tube. At this stage, pressure gradually builds up on both sides of the ferrules in the sealed zones. As the nut is fully tightened, a final sealing state is achieved near the front end of the fitting. As the tube deforms further and the contact area between the body's taper and the front ferrule increases, the rising resistance forces the back ferrule inward, forming a secondary firm grip on the tube. After the nut is tightened 1¼ turns, the fitting completes the sealing and gripping process. For sizes below 1/8 inch imperial or for millimeters metric, only 3/4 turn is required.
Turn pressure into power.